How to accept PayPal in Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your actual Squarespace website, and from there you can find in here this. So you can already find your left sidebar, you can click on this finance, and on that option you can see all the orders that you have. If you don't have any orders yet, you can proceed to click onto this connect a payment processor. So let's click on this right here. It's typically added under the selling. So on your settings, you can find selling. And when you scroll down, you can see that you can actually connect your PayPal business for this. Now click on the disconnect. And in here, if you're not in a trial mode, you can proceed to click on this and then connect your actual PayPal account that you wish to receive the payments that you have actually created onto the orders that have actually been gotten through into your website. Proceed to click on the disconnect in order to connect it and then just follow the on-screen instruction for that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.